Hello everyone, welcome back to Technosavvys. So today I am here with you all with a new topic, and that is robotics. What is robotics? Robotics is a branch of engineering and computer science that involve the conception, design, manufacture and operation of robots. Now, what are robotics used for? Robotics are used for design, construction and use of machines, robots, to perform tasks done traditionally by human beings. How do robotic works? Robots are machines with program movements that allow them to move in certain directions and sequence. Now, advantages of robotics. Robots produce more accurate and high quality work. Robots rarely make mistakes and more precise than human workers. They can produce a greater quantity in short amount of time. They can work at a constant speed with no break, days off or holiday time. Why we should learn robotics? Robotics encourage kids to think creatively, to build and design solutions to real world problems, and it also help youngsters to come up with new innovative ideas and solutions when problems arise. Additionally, robotics can encourage kids to think outside the box and come up with original ideas. Hope this video helped you all. To know more things about robotics, join Technosavvys today. Thank you.